Because hello everybody, and let me introduce you the new LED grow light model, Hishine PG03 600 watts. This is a new model of 600 watts. Also we have 200, from 200 to 1,000 watts with different sizes and different voltage. It's very nice. The out shape is very nice. The slim and the very, it's very elegant sometimes. Yeah. The heat sink is the LED bar is separated in this way. They can dispatch the heat easily, so it's not overheat or burn light or burn plant. And the power supply is autoproof. The whole light is autoproof, IP65. Don't worry about the water will rain something. But mostly it's used indoor. Let's see the light. The light, you can tell it's very bright. It's like sunlight light. And it's full spectrum, most like the sunshine. And the LED from here, you can tell is with a white LED and a white LED. Two type of the LEDs mixed with the full spectrum light. And it's very bright. You can tell it's very bright. Compared with the HID, the light efficiency is much more higher than the traditional HID light. It's around 2.6 to 2.8 U more per joule. It's much higher than the traditional light, HID and the HPS light. And you can tell it, we have a dimmer here. The light is dimmable from 10% to 100%. You can dim it very easily. And we have a function. Daisy chain function, which you can use a single wire, single cable to connect several lights together by controlling the dimming on this light, and the chain will be dimming. All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.